Hi everybody and welcome to Newcaster Guitars. Today I'd like to share my method of shielding the electric guitar body with copper foil. So we're going to go to the workbench and I'm going to show you a project that I just started. So what we have here on the bench is a standard Newcaster spalted maple veneer top basswood body, and I just routed the cavities, and I want to show you the cavities are like extra deep even for the neck pickup, the bridge pickup and control panel. I leave about a 1/4 inch, so you know there's some safety there, but I like the cavities extra deep so the foil that we're using does not touch the pickups or the 3-way or 4-way switch, whatever one is using there. And so this is the body pre-routed, and here we have some copper foil that I cut into strips. The whole roll is over here, and it's some nice quality copper foil that I got from a local copper shop, and I cut that up into strips with a pair of scissors. And now we're gonna prepare for the copper to fit into these cavities, and this is how it's being done. So here we have the copper foil, and I just lay the copper foil on top of this bridge pickup cavity, and then I press around the edges and try to get this shape just the way we like it. So then we take the scissors, cut this up, and we'll just trace this out. So now we have this piece here, and we'll just do a test run so it fits in real nicely. So then we do the same thing with the neck pickup cavity. Just put the foil here. Let me just trace this on. So now we have the 3 bottom pieces cut out, and I'm just going to apply a little silicone on the bottom of each cavity and then press the pieces into place, and they fit just fine like this. So now I cut out the side pieces, and they go in the same way. We're just going to use a little silicone and apply that. I'm not afraid to use my finger. And fit these pieces in. So now here we have all the copper foil installed. You can see all the cavities are covered in copper, and the next thing will be soldering them together. So here we have a couple pieces of wire, and we're just gonna feed the wire through these holes. I tinned them already, and now I'm gonna solder the wires to the copper. So this copper is connected to that copper cavity, and then this one to that one. And then in the end we're going to solder a little piece of wire from here to our pot on the control panel. So now you can see how the wire is soldered to the cavities, and they're all connected with one another. And this is the final point where this gets connected. This wire gets connected to the control panel pot. So then the whole guitar should be completely shielded. And this little tab here is a piece of copper that I soldered to this foil, and the bridge will rest on that. So we're going to have a positive contact from the brass saddles all the way through the strings to the copper cavities and to the pot. So everything looks good and ready to go. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.